What do people mean when they say water is life? This is a saying, a mantra, even in social activism, but it is deeper than that. In the Ojibwe language, we will say to say that water is life. There are other ways you can frame that statement as well. But really what is meant is that water is the source of life. It is placed before any other sentient life is placed on earth in the creation story. It's kind of a statement of fact as well. A huge percentage of our bodies is made out of water. When we die, the water leaves our bodies. And it's also just a statement about our place in creation. It's not the case that we are given dominion over the earth so much as we are part of the web of life, not its masters. Anything that was created before us in the creation story would get by just fine if humans ever perished from the earth. Humans were the last things put on earth. But humans would surely perish if anything before us were to disappear from the earth. So we are dependent on everything in creation, including and especially the water. So water is life. It's a spiritual statement. It's a statement of fact. And it's become a guidepost in environmental activism for thinking about what really matters to protect the water on planet Earth and the earth itself. Miigwech.